Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to separate value by space in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data in one column. You can see have a value also in this column. So here I'm going to separate this value by using the space option. Simply select the entire column. So I select here entire column and go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to column option, and here convert text to column wizard dialog box is open, and choose the file tab, delimited. Okay, the preview of selected data here showing. After that, click on the next and click on the here. You can see here the preview, and when you click on the space you can see the one line break between these values, okay, and other details. Just click on the next and click on the finish, and that's it. Here you can see your value is separated. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.